Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a UK limited company. You must first prepare by understanding the key roles involved, such as directors and shareholders, and by considering your company's core purpose. Thinking about your proposed business activities is an essential first step. This foundational preparation ensures a smoother registration process. Carefully considering these elements and understanding director responsibilities will save you time and effort later on. Selecting a distinctive name for your company is a crucial step. The name you choose must be unique and not confusingly similar to other registered entities. You should always use the official company's house name availability checker to confirm its status before proceeding. Remember, names ending in limited or limited are standard, and certain words may require specific permissions. Choose a name that clearly represents your brand and purpose. To register your company, you will need to gather several essential pieces of information. This includes details for at least one director, who can also serve as a shareholder. A crucial requirement is a UK registered office address, which will be publicly accessible. You also need a statement of capital, outlining the shares issued and their total value. Collecting these details beforehand streamlines the application process considerably. Once all your information is ready, you can submit your company registration application. The quickest method is typically online, directly through the company's house website, where the standard fee is £12. Alternatively, you might choose an authorized company formation agent to handle the process for you. Online registrations are usually completed within 24 hours, providing a swift and efficient service. Ensure all details are accurate before submission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.